Hello, this is Halil from Komman Machinery, who is the best carpet washing machine manufacturer of Turkey and all around the world. Today I'm going to talk about Monster 4200 Inox stainless steel machine. So right now let's check and go through the machine and operate it. We operate the belt here. Also via this button, the trolley. Also here we operate the rinsing system. And here quadruple disc brush, and here back quadruple disc brush. Via this button we operate the helical middle brush, and via this button we operate the front brush. Speed adjustment of belt, trolley, and the rinsing will be adjusted here. Shampoo and water button. With the machines we manufacture, we are the best carpet washing machine manufacturer in the field. Let's own a machine Monster 4200 Inox stainless steel full automatic carpet washing machine and join into our happy customers from all around the world. See you in next videos. Bye bye.